Recommended accommodation for solo travelers in Taipei. Ito ang Beimenwao Postel, which is a 7 minutes walk from the Taipei main station. Book ko siya sa Klook for around 1,500 per night only. I stayed there for 4 nights for the total of 6,000 pesos. But still, price might vary depende sa season. This is the solo room. Pagpasok mo, bungad agad yung mini closet at ang mini fridge. May provided na room sleepers na medyo manipis pero okay na. They also give bottled water and towel replacement daily. You just need to put the make up my room tag till 10 a.m. in the morning. Maliit lang yung room but there's a TV, table, and a chair. Meron akong large luggage but here, kaya ko siyang buksan with enough space pa unlike other small rooms na pahirapan pag may malaking bag ka. It only has a single bed dahil pang solo person lang talaga to pero comfortable naman. Meron ding private bathroom which is spacious for a solo room. Meron ding bidet, tissue, and a hair blower. And the cherry on top, may bathtub. Meron na ding heater sa shower at sa gripo, so no need to worry in any season. This hotel is mainly for dormitory, kaya meron siyang common area on where you can eat and reheat your food, na pwede ring maging tambayan. Nga pala mabilis mauubos tong solo private room na to kaya for me sobrang steal siya nung nakuha ko.